everyone. I most humbly welcome you back again to Queenzabeth's Skill Acquisition Center online. And we are done frying our puff puff, and as you can see we have our oil and we have just little oil left. So I'm going to be teaching you how to clean your oil properly after frying. Now this oil I have here is the leftover from fry my puff puff, and as you can see here it has become quite dirty, so you don't expect me to throw my vegetable oil away. I mean, it's just after one use. I can't just discard my oil like that, especially in this Nigerian economy today. So we are going to be using, I just placed my vegetable oil on the stove, and then we are going to be using water as well as corn flour. You know, there are so many methods of cleaning your oil. Some people use ginger, but I like this method because it's really convenient. Also, some people strain, but I still believe in cleanliness. Once you can look at vegetable oil and you see it's crystal clear, you know, it gives you that rest of mind, and people will feel like, oh, why are you reusing you keep using this oil? They wouldn't even know that it's just after one use, you know, it gathered all this dirt. So today I'm going to be using water. I'm also going to be using corn flour. Now before we go further, let me quickly state that because I get a lot of questions from my students asking, is corn flour same as cornstarch? And I go, okay. Corn flour is the same as cornstarch in the sense that they are both made or prepared from corn, right? From your corn kernel. But there are so many differences if you look at them very closely. Now, corn flour itself is made by grinding the whole corn kernel to fine powder, while cornstarch is derived from the starchy parts of corn, and it has a finer texture than corn flour. Corn flour has protein, starch, vitamins, minerals, you know, etc., etc., while cornstarch is mostly carbs. So this is the very difference. A lot of people, when you go, oh, the recipe calls for cornstarch, and there you are, you're adding corn flour. No, it shouldn't be that way. When the recipe calls for corn flour, you make sure you're using corn flour, and when it calls for cornstarch, you make sure you're using cornstarch. Now let's not digress any further. I'm diving right in now. I'm going to take a quarter cup of water, room temperature water, and then I'm using half teaspoon of corn flour, not cornstarch here. I'm using corn flour. Okay, I'm using corn flour. Just half a teaspoon will be fine. You stir it into your water. Stir it into your water like so. Stir it into your water like so. Okay, just give it that quick stir while I quickly return my corn flour. Okay, so now I'm giving it a quick stir. Remember, I have just very little oil, so the quantity is not really much. So I'm just using a quarter of a cup of water, room temperature water, with half teaspoon of corn flour, not cornstarch. Okay, so I'm done stirring, and my oil is hot enough. You can see all the bubbles. All that is from the residue of the puff puff, from residue from the puff puff batter, as well as the onions and the ginger. So now I'm going to give my corn flour a quick mix before finally pouring it in. Comes in contact with oil, hot oil, it will react, and that is the reaction you're getting. While that is happening, the corn flour mixed with water is going to help you gather all your dirt from the bottom right to the top, and then leaving your oil very clean. So you're going to use your spoon to gather all the dirt carefully. You will gather it out, you know. So this is the best method I prefer. We're going to leave it for some time, you know, for all the bubbling and everything, all the reaction to cool down, and then once it does, we start to gather all the dirt. Yes, we just leave it to fry for 5 to 10 minutes. You can see the dirt I'm gathering here. Can you see all that residue? Yes, it is fully integrated with the corn flour now. Yeah, after one use, yes, that is what you get after one use. So there you have it. My oil is getting really clean now. You can see me gathering all. This is fantastic. I mean, look at it. Look at it. I mean, compared to where we were before, you can see that the difference is really clear. My oil is getting really clean. This is quite embarrassing. I just used my oil, so it is important to always, give it a quick clean. Immediately after frying, just combine your corn flour with your room temperature water, even with cold water, but I think room temperature water is much better. Pour it into your hot oil, and then it will just make everything very easy for you. Okay, let me say thank you to all my students, my student from Right Choice Private School, my student from Julie Owens Private School, my student from Diamond Mines, my student from Gibraltar Secondary School, as well as those I can't even remember right now. Thank you so much for your support. I mean, you're the one encouraging me to encourage you. Thank you so much, new children. I can't wait to see you in my next class. See you soon.